what we need to do.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge District Council Affairs Department yesterday held a meeting with the three autonomous district councils, the KHADC, JHADC and GHADC, to discuss 15th Finance Commission grant, which will be soon released to the ADCs in the state. Talking to reporters after the meeting, KHADC CEM Pinyat Singh CM informed that the amount which is still pending for all the three ADCs, as per the funds recommended by the 15th Finance Commission, is Rs 500 crore. Meanwhile, CM said that there are some pending issues which have already been rectified and addressed following the visit of Ministry of Panchayati Raj officials to the state recently to discuss several issues. According to him, they are trying their best to fulfill all the requirements as per the instruction issued by the ministry and state government.
Were discussed regarding the 15th Finance Commission grant to be released soon to the Autonomous District Council in Meghalaya. So there are some pending issues that we have already rectified and addressed in these few days back when the Ministry of Panchayati Raj has sent three officials to the state to meet all the three ADCs with regards to this pending proposal as per the Igram Swaraj portal.
A major mudslide that occurred at East Janta Hills Sonapur Tunnel